ade bia etimi twe waso ukrom no emra no timi twe waso mfie mienu no waja say boni a wo ya etimi yetimi punish 2 years e ma akodem no extraditable offense afi what you say Ministerial time fan say udi for near do kotuma is not less than 2 years. It is a ejitu the can say mrano di na say boni awaye no asotwe no more than 2 years ya etimi do ba na one e ko trigger OSP the son on the D said nam there attorney general so no ba e waja obi attorney general waja obi a eti said nam no okochi no wo mo akra ja wo mo oh be se wo mo akra o ma enter o mo appearance a o mo eye o mo case o mo defense kra ye ja obi a na private member moshi wa he
ye ko file our court
now ko file attorney general no na ne kosia obey tap no le
we the court we dey asem na wi yes we mfa nkoto
enti ya was attorney general no trigger to say loyalty a tia ebo aka say o ma locate no nti they are yet to trigger that time ya no mo trigger Interpol to say the kisia jabe a trigger enti je akron for that and post ani
mo dia koma
ebo wi ase ba bia Tubako police station bia Interpol bia over wanted hey
enti we ni Ghana ni bia se bi ofuri
o ya chi no kwa ba bia obetima chi no
e wo London
a citizen arrest is allowed
no answer wa chi no na afre broni police ni
say wa no so the white team was leave me was I will leave you are under arrest hey bayaw this is the highest order of embarrassment.
Me partner mini.
This is the highest order of embarrassment that can be granted anybody. You are a fugitive of justice in your country. You can't seek asylum.
Na kota you say one ebe me lorry for me e dia kwakofa kenofri ataba.
Why na replay beko
dropping.
We
are just on for dropping.
David almost me na for economy kra.
Only kwaje bosia won a bank where data bank.
Pacho is no more part of data bank.
Okay.
Is no more part of data bank.
Okay.
In the history.
It's happening in Ghana.
What asante o can so be finance
Sompa
minister
FM.
in the fourth republic. Me said then who finance minister be a what not buying
too much. That this alone is enough.
So
Yaw, you have been declared a fugitive of justice. Interpol red notice has been alerted, triggered. What be to say? We are see our namno. Ultimi nyanin ko be bia o.
Say is it ultimi pia bonten kra
hospital or kra no. And me one thing I me feel say kisia jabe anya de was the announcing to the world say papa no was cancer. Yaw, irrespective of whatever the person has done, the health status is a matter between One and private. Yes. Oh, Ghana, ye mistake me. Kisia Jabe, you are a lawyer of repute. You don't stand because you are OSP and pronounce somebody's illness to the world. A confidentiality between One and the doctor. And the other boy man in secret say, Papa no. Cancer tina oko. No aba catch we are say almost so yare cancer na it's unacceptable na etu atwane. Cancer until you can say yes so yare akade na besi. You are making a mockery of somebody though why wafum, but he is even proven innocent.
Until
proving he is presumed innocent and to proven guilty by a court of competent jurisdiction. The fact that he becomes a suspect, he is not a convict. Why do you want to know the papa na yari abe tu jase wiase nyina antie It was so bad. I mean, he said, I mean, should be careful.
Only can offer any Kiseja be the woman kubism.
Oh, yeah, beef with the bio.
Utum say, beef like
only beef
personal.
Because we are told to say, he was not for the position way. Now, a cabinet, be there to are very good.
And I didn't buy.
And I was also making initial request for more cars. And I said, Kedofrata was stifling him initially on funds.
Okay.
I quite the second of Ferrata as so. Sadia Ninia
Works and Housing Ministry.
Naniano was State Housing Company. And a virus call report to Ninianema, as I so say. Niniano is like Omoko. A board meeting. It's like as if he's the chairperson. The Obeka be also a final. The be also a virus and yasem. And as a super minister, no ye no call AESL. I accept a national country for Yata France and so. Say, how dare you? Why would you change my brother without informing me? As I'm so now 2 years now. Only fans or they call. It's your 4 years as I'm so echo works a house in honor a ye. Contract what Ghana and now knows. There's a point in time now allegedly as a virus Ghana as a State Housing fans near the with me Boama works a housing year for 1.5 years to 2 years. Get us see defense should be by and no release Kakramano. Share a Juba Kaya over Casomba Mensia or appointing no a ye. Nanado Kase as and so or Hammer Jane.
Aye.
That's a suko switch and another. Nana obey war Hammer Jane. Bonane or Hammer Jane. That was the reason. A man for Antiasia and then I make Chassis. When you forget I know your beefer. Sicano. And the appear could be any bread in the Sunya.
And the Kerufriata.
Woman Abrante Cotuno.
Namani Hunu.
Woman Abrante Cotu and the appear could be simple.
Only Uji Boakye.
Woman
Kerufriata.
But I am just back here, pa. As I tell my rock on kind. And who could be in kind ready kind of called despite. Kwame. And was say, Usa. That they need to cast home. Now, mammy crack can say, no, mammy, so no, son, no, sports car. Now, could I track a much? I say, ye young no to car no crack. At the Eura Kwame Despite Group CEO and owner. Eh, say, Unina, and this one didn't so baby and automobile. Mission cast be from 1930. It be 18, it be 19. Was she casting in our fefe? Na Santimera said, Debbie. May this kind of Kwame. At the video back cry. It is a Kwame Betuana Mombi said the Abako Shannon Munyam. It's Okuburaho and their dignitaries. No, we are on their channel, see that be. It's a working day. Now, me PM in crying there. Ghana man penny, Ebedia day. Me said that man cram, I draw down to Miss Adia. And ye my boy print to Munkan chance my babesrano. Now, young Shana Nika. And Tibia, oh, young Shabia, mammy, Emma Shabika, Canami, we are. Bimna Santene, Boamahona, Minyamra, Canama home.
You know, was it not only one over the show? Sure, on the Nomindara, Moba, let's have a powerful now. Sompa FM. By Musity. Yo, see the picture, and then by ball, and me I do Magana food now, chop on my hole. Sabi, I didn't know what you knew. I'll buy Sabi, but she had to the head. What did you know? 2 4. Sure. See, one chance now, who told you to 7 to home. So, we want to chest out to mine, but you, Sadia, you know, and you 2 4 fair. ɛyɛ asantuma yɛ fɛ papapapa.
Okay, now Omanhene Yaw, the genesis of his presidency. Say Brebi Anana. What he said, yes, one coy vice president Tamils na. I told a hoy munina coy and penny for coy was Debbie on the on your politics bill. No 240 and was there. Mon friend and mammy nombra. Also a coy, with the NTA. I don't know want to take the seal out of the wind out of the seal.
The first time Professor Mills sent Bafuboni of blessed memory and a team to come and tell me that he wanted me to be his running mate. And at that time, I had made my plans to leave politics. So my response was, no, I won't do it. So later he sent Ato Ahoy and Toto Boakye and Kwamina to come and ask me to accept to be his running mate. Again, I said no. And so one day I was in Accra, I got a call. It says, Otumfo wants you in Malaysia. Who am I to refuse? So I got up and went. And when I went, I said, hey, only I say, Pastor Bill say, but yeah, Nabi de Chain, Nabi de Vice President, I was there be. Hey, oh boy. He says, when your country calls you, you can't refuse. He says, I was sitting in London somewhere, and my kingdom called me to come and be with him. For I think I don't want to enjoy the free life that I had to do it, so you cannot refuse. So he said, okay, I'm going to South Africa, I'm going to meet President Mills. When I come to Accra, I want your response, because I promised him I'll bring a response. So when the two folk came to Accra, when the two folk makes a request, who are you to refuse? So when he came to Accra, I went to him, and he said, yes, have you made up your mind? And I said, yes, I've made my mind, but tell Pastor Mills I'll do it for only one term. And Nana said, even if you do it for only one day, we'll accept it. The rest is history.
Definitely the rest is history. And you won't hear me. Manu see. Mo amo sorry a. Mo se mo dorman penny. John Dramani Mahama ebroso. Enunti mu kasama manu kra timi tia asantema ura. Opim so say to abebi no. Ene mo fa we nya sua de. Se obeye mampani and oye president no. Eye asantema ura. No kache se kone koji. Wakoji ye no. Obeye mampani. Edi mfie nine. Okofie sa ba ye no. Eti wo fi se wo do Omanhene John Dramani Mahama chen ubia uwiase a ne presidency na bosu na hyase ene nra okache wiase nyina se enye asantema wura enko no Jubilee House onko ni ho ne life mu nyina no or rejected so be vice president but asantema wura se Debbie just a few back. Mo movie say mo do Omanhene John Mama ntimu wo na bibi kakra bia na mo take advantage mo kese manu tia no. Look at how dignified he is, dignifying the king. Also when no 2-4 calls, who are you? As I tell you
my enrano me to aso fru na na sa ohin sa kan sin bi fa cool board ho.
Yeah.
And so I was go me. Because now man for be adwin say mpanimfo bi o memu support sa gold board no.
It was a gold board no. Now it was shrouded in controversy and ambiguity. Liba we retias here. Na adwina be say as amanfo ba amase Ghana gold no ma kutwa di.
Enra no kire mu say sa abrantie samajamfi otenachi pamfi. Wa
amo abrantie no.
Enra de o asem o kan say na samajamfi adwuma no a obe na say na nigye ne himie peya enra opemso
Edebio. I just say Kofi Kinata otumfo ama no. What the gold what do no. What's wrong row? Kofi su be.
So anyway amani
I send the thing.
Amani adwuma na o ye no. Ebe kosonya fasopi. E no man panyi mama sa to just say o manya 2.7 billion gold board no within the last 4 months now. E buy na.
Oh, that's my can had that.
Yenya instant resource. Once now gold dollar no hore die. And you just say sidi no ahode de me bia betimi agina be sustain ama edwodifo hu se ampa ntie no a openso asem o kai no mani gye ama mani sa agye ma same gye mfie hu se ampa wanyi obi anta na chi o so openso ne tanachi
se tumfo se botawachi pampe
e de abiem na aka na empempi na nipa dwen say that office of gold board no same gye mfie se bia say wo swanti no enye ni so eye de office no na se ye de ni de bia de
emma
na oma media no apebo no oma mpem mama sa ka kire na nanom se Asante region ni project bi ho a obokoso awi amaye but o ka ba ko biem ye traffic a wase o mbeso mdi kwa bi to edwo so kopie mampo kwa animu na esan ko
enya ye Anita hotel chi ho
sa kwan no oma mpem mama ehia santeman papa na emoma traffic ekoso okete kumase no eso nte na project no enya ba wi a oman emma se kasa kese timiti free Oranga junction na beti free okrofrom na
swamira about
ebe boa ama ya soma twintu we de ye be koso aka no ama other projects nyina baba bewie no ma me de ba no ba si sa special prosecutor ensem no sami sa office of special prosecutor o ma o kan history first person ba o when say Kaiser Benz Martin Amedu oba wo the intention or alleged say bia e din ba we shanty NDC for no oba be ni nyina la show no one for bia ntu na me bo ene de kisia jabe so ba unfortunately kisia jabe o ba susu o ma he mimi hu ni say kisia jabe adwuma o enya de say eba wadi NDC na say abandon say be kan de because say no I say juma o die no woji adwuma na boa omampani aban no hwa omahe ezekise jabe obaye no mimfe ka say NDC bia ni wa wachi no wa investigating for now
dabi na NDC ni bone be na NDC bia
me ba you say na say akuma wo dia aban say akuma edia wo dia say akuma ni akuma na say ebunua enti onu kise jabe before na appointed no man ba office obaye so no adwuma wo ye no ase wo ye ne switch
ana so se sia no kane no no se akekere ne sa anambo a so wutie kisi ajabe ankwanoma meye ne metumi ni ade no na ofi se obampani akufado na ode ne be si ona akra sa ene na pamfo any ministers he may declare say o make attempt bia na say ministers ni bi ni party ni nya se si to the jo mama no wono no the opponent na akwache na ono fa ho be
say don hu dem can say ni there na the make twa to say I say okise jabe what the arrest hunhun nipa than prosecution minim the make what I say mecho ba wachi wi a say obeboa ma wadi wa kwagina court o ma so hwe aba no that is my worry for
now ye Ghana kra ye plea bargain se nipa no this can obetimi age sika na magana ehia ye ni se kode obi kodem 4 years
now
asante now oje $20 million no kodem ba no be this kana nya ni aboka o kodem so aban be sa hwe no ya ma mentio
me de kakra bi on a friend say President John Dramani Mahama ni otumfo engagement no kan de bi me ni J and mesre ye mpanimfo no edu ba bi a omabra bo ene enema bi a esisi a amanfo hu no papa no se eba se omani gie mo musie mo opportunity o monka bi ma yenti se ne na President John Dramani Mahama kire ne nkwala brem ebra osia otumfo na otumfo soma na mane koto ice cream eba na ne wofa sa time no mususu a na ato ahoy mo eba ebedi holidays na omo ba na osesa mre na otumfo no ye asempanimfo kakra job na akoye bra pani a
e man ko ice cream
no asoma no ya
na se otumfo domama akoto abela
abrene da enti no se no de ofrene bra kwaku it was here on the eja omo ne namu a sa abraboewe
afeti 1999
after 1999 otufo poku are free mu na yesi wo hene a
obehwe tv
so say debi kwaku di oyesa wini na banze no di asante ni unse yewra so no
okoso no se
oso ndie no nim se kwaku de debi oye se wini na banse no bedi asantene enti afterwards na wo busa no se ayo se na na du hene ne nana no mo ba ha sei no se emu ba ko ne otumfu ano soma no e ma no koto abele e de ebranti eya o mon kabi ma yehu eya o mon kabi mi yehu
so such a wonderful story. So you sit there, you say you love Omanhene Yaw, and nothing they do maybe ebi musika so Omanhene Yaw mama. People like that who profess they love you and they speak against this man, shut them up.
Yes. And say me say Pia Bontintam wa and give be those in Sembia amanfo bi dia bufo beke kabasa no
kombejai
won say oh okay on any what this relationship way yes so intini amani bi wo no mo a yo mo kama
na ka ohene ka fo na do ho
so
he has been his lawyer since
yes on na UK bebia
yes me mpe
wasem
no omunim meni wa
me lawyer abesine. Look at this.
It's then an opportunity bi so ba na nka na do so no akabia me yehu so oh ohene kan ne mo ma me so be mfa bi nka ho
yes na ebaburu na wu say wo ko say ebia asantema wura at a point in time 2016 na yamanfo kra ka say menhia kra empe omampani asem 2024 afedi ese menhia empe MPP asem empe mahama asem empe ensem no rumors no doso ya want to be finally na I won say na branche wabotai I share why shirt abotai what yi Donald Trump our committee
akota chama want to be finally we Pia Bonten na me de me de abasobo na ema Ashanti region for na no Friday ye kansem bi anyo omo de me nkase asa anyo omo de anyo omo de feedback e ba che say anyo omo de but na nye se ye kan se ye kan mo ho aba be ye hini hu na ye twe o madwene asi so
omo
nsori no mo de na ye de na ekono mo twe ama na firi mansa na o aba be na brimpon yi ana and nyame ya dom from Friday no edibesi enrajo se ne omu si mass yap ye press conferences na de weekend ni na enra omo kra na ekogu honom asat be ebo be 5 a omu se wuntimi mpie no omo start block Yoko to send a message to them say omu free asante aba no omo de omo de eko ye encourage say
omu block but they showed up
so say yetiana wafo asore ko na we vote asore ko
na Western North for ba na Asante region motia
evidently na mum de course so a entwe ye no eye politics a edu baby na MPP for ede eya na sebi previous a lawyer for akese pa na sebi omadwene afiri mra so na fe akwai politics nko a eno na going forward ombachi omunkrofo no bebiri omfa nso muti bebre bedam omfa nso muti
I can tell you
yoko hode bebre beko
I can tell you say
akwata body
me modi by prayer and revelation my friend Ipambi nu bia ka kire so omunye ready
omeko yoko arabia na
minim nipa kro ba maka kire say omo na omo so no omunye ready nipa mienu
anasi ID
e wa MPP mu empaibo mu na me hu ye me nkasa pi ma me twa maka kire wo
going forward politics no
mesi maka kire wo
edi togere na to ayi your president
se mura kwa abusia for ye kwaba asante e bodu ba bia